Thanks for joining us today on Hideaway Range. We're looking at a Henry Repeating Arms H6 Big Boy and 45 Colt. Part of their H6 Big Boy rifle and carbine series. So the Big Boy series have a 10-round capacity and they load from a tubular magazine. You see they come with an octagon barrel. Henry Repeating Arms was founded in 1996. And they were able to secure the Henry trademark name, which is a throwback to Benjamin Tyler Henry, who invented the original Henry rifle in 1860. Henry Repeating Arms launched the Big Boy series in the year 2000. Now, Henry Repeating Arms' first rifle was launched in 1997, and it was a 22 long rifle, 22 mag, and 17 HMR calibers. It was labeled the H4, which is also known as the Golden Boy. This one's chambered in 45 Colt. Some of the old timers call it 45 Long Colt to distinguish it from the Schofield 45. The proper name is the 45 Colt. The Henry Repeating Arms is a real blend of history and modern functionality. They're popular with recreational shooters and hunters, not so much in the cowboy action community where they favor lever action guns that are easier to load and are more reliable, along the lines of a Marlin 1894. It's chambered in a pistol cartridge, but it's a lot of fun to shoot. And it's not very old, but it still shoots just fine. The Henry Repeating Arms 45 Colt.